it's Choi here. Today we have a quick and easy hair tutorial doing 2 looks inspired by Korean models and actors, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. The first hairstyle we're doing today is a curtain perm hairstyle using a hair curler. Some actors and stars that have sported this look are Hyunsung from Singles Inferno, Nam Joo-hyuk, Eric Nam, and the list goes on. Keep in mind for both hairstyles, you will need to ask for a 2-block haircut like this. I get so many questions about where I get my haircut done or what to ask for when you see a barber. Here's a tip, go in with a photo. Plus, here's another tip, ask them to cut your bangs so that it covers your eyebrows. I find that a lot of hairdressers end up cutting too much of the bang and it ends up not giving you the style that you want. So, the hair care I'll be using today for this tutorial is from Haircare, today's sponsor. This month, since going back to being a brunette, I've been focusing on treating my sensitive, oily scalp. So I like to go in first with the Rhythm of the Rain Cleansing Glacial Scalp Exfoliator. I use this in place of shampoo about twice a week, and this basically exfoliates the hair follicles, removes product buildup, which I definitely need. It helps manage excess sebum and scalp issues like dandruff, itchiness, and irritation, and it also comes with this really cute spatula for hygiene. I follow the exfoliator with the Rhythm of the Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox. This soothes the scalp, smooths and repairs dry ends, and I've definitely noticed less dandruff and softer hair after using this about twice a week. I follow this up by towel drying my hair. So, for look 1, I go in with Voir's Walk in the Sun Luxury Hair Oil. What the hair oil does is it hydrates and smooths the hair after you apply heat and prevents flyaways. A few drops to the end of your hair is basically all you need. It's made up of jojoba, sunflower, and rosehip oils, which is great for people with oily skin, and it does not cause breakouts. Then we go in with a blow dryer on the cool setting and blow dry your hair. Once your hair is dry, it's going to feel super soft and have a bit of volume. Now we're going to part the hair with a wide tooth comb, and you're going to want to part the hair 60% one way and have it parted 40% the other way. Next we're going to use a hair curler, and this one's a super cheap one from Revlon. I got it for like 20 bucks, and this roller is 3/4 of an inch, which I think works great with this hair length. Okay, now when curling your hair, you're going to want to do this in 4 parts starting from the back. So I take a chunk of my hair from the back of my head and grab the roller and clamp it face down. And I roll inwards, towards my scalp, but not touching it. And I hold it for about a second or 2. Okay, so let's do a close-up on this again. Take a chunk of your hair from the back and clamp it down near the end and roll it inwards towards your head, leaving about 2 inches of hair as a safeguard from burning yourself. Now we're going to grab the middle part of your hair and do the same process. Clamp your hair near the end and twirl it towards your head. Remember, you're curling it towards your scalp, not away from it. Repeat the next step in the next section of your hair. Practice makes perfect with this using a hair curler. If you haven't used it before, it took me a couple of weeks to get a handle of it. Finally, I leave the bangs to last. This is the most important part. Don't mess up here. So when curling the bangs, I clamp down near the end and twirl it towards my forehead, and I curl it inwards towards my forehead. Be careful not to burn yourself. And I forgot to do the back, so grab a section of your hair near the back of your head and do the same step to the back of your head on the right side. Once it's done, it's going to look something like this. I know it looks crazy right now, but trust me, it's going to look great in about a second. So now we're going to repeat the same steps to the other side of your head, starting from the back of your head, moving towards your bangs. So after you curl your hair, you're going to get a 4-tooth barrel brush, or really any round-headed brush like this, and softly loosen up the curls by brushing it through. As you can see, as the curls get brushed, it looks way more natural and it looks like a perm. Okay, finally we're going to be setting this look with the Rainforest Mist Waves Texturizing Hairspray. You're going to take this product and spray this all over your head to kind of almost give it a wet look to the hair. Once you get the product throughout the hair, use your fingers to basically run it through and style it by kind of scrunching it with your hand. This is going to give it more of a dramatic texture. I really like the spray because it gives this really nice wet look and it has a strong hold that's buildable. And then there you go. That's look number 1, a kind of wet wavy look that I think looks really good for a night out or to maybe go on a deserted island or something like Singles Inferno. The second hairstyle we're doing today is a middle part hairstyle that doesn't use any styling tools. Some actors and stars that have sported this look are Park Si-young, Lee Do-yeon, Song Kang. So with look 2, we're starting off with wet clean hair, and we'll towel dry it like before. And I apply the Walk in the Sun hair oil for moisture and also to prevent flyaways. I then go and comb it through. Now go in with a wet styling product. A mousse, curl cream, or hair essence would all work, but today I'm using Voir's Secret in the Snow soft styling foam. This product creates like perfect curl and boosts body bounce and shine using bamboo extracts. Then we go in with a blow dryer on the cool setting and blow dry your hair. When blow drying, press up on the roots to give it more volume. Then we go in and part the hair 50-50, or just create a middle part. Alright, now we go in and take a barrel brush and start brushing from the roots, and we kind of twist and twirl it around while blowing hot air into it. This is going to create a very natural curl and create some volume. I started from the ends and work my way and do the bangs last. Here's a view of me doing this technique from the side. If you've ever been to a Korean hair salon, you'll probably notice that a lot of the stylists use a brush like this when styling your hair, and the reason they do this is because it's really great for thick hair and it creates a very nice amount of volume without having to use a styling product. Also, if your sides stick out slightly, you can apply some heat to the sides of your head and press down with your palms and hold it down for a couple of seconds. Alright, so when it's done, it's going to look something like this. This is a super dapper and stylish look, something that would be appropriate to sport daily or even in the office. And the best part is that you don't need a fancy gadget, you just need kind of like a round brush and just a little bit of a wet styling product. If you're going to be out all day, I would recommend maybe going in with a hairspray. Okay, so that wraps it up. These are 2 easy hairstyles that you guys can do using some very simple products. If you like tutorials like this, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to make you guys not miss my next video.